Hey everybody, Tim Pritchett here at McKay Chevrolet and Gladewater, your dealer for the people. And I wanted to go over a quick feature with you on this awesome 2019 Chevy Silverado here. And what it is the auto start stop system that they've put on these trucks. So basically what it is this button right here with the circle with the A in it. And basically what it is, when you pull up to a stop sign or a red light or something like that, and the motor will actually shut down, but you don't lose your air conditioner, you don't lose your heater, you don't lose your radio or anything like that. And basically what it's designed to do is to help save you some gasoline. So if you don't like the way that kind of feels or anything like that, they do give you this option here to turn it on and off. With the light on here, it is on, but if you hit that button there, the light goes off and it turns the auto stop off there. So and it just runs like a normal truck. So but that is a really great feature on the truck to help save you some money and some gasoline. So if you have any questions, please give me a call here at the dealership. My number is 903-374-0217. Thank y'all.